Hi everybody, it's Kevin Pryfigal from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan BraunAbility side entry mobility van. This is featured in Octane red pearl coat, very pretty color. Has a very nice pearl metallic in it. This has the 3.6 liter V6. Of course, this is front wheel drive. This is based on the Dodge Grand Caravan SXT platform. Please visit us at paulsherryconversionvans.com to see this van and all our vans we have in our inventory. Again, this is the side entry mobility. Just open the door. There's a remote. You just push. And then there are going to be your 4 Q-strength tie downs for the wheelchair. And that is on a track, so you can actually adjust those or move those around based on your comfort level or how the wheelchair, what size the wheelchair is. And then you do have a 3-passenger rear bench with seat belts. And to reverse the process, we just push the remote, hold down the button, and it folds nice and neatly out of the way. And then you can either hit the remote to shut the door. There's also, just grab it there like that. And the door is on a power. Has a nice dark sunscreen glass, which is not a film, it's actually in the glass. This does have the rear factory power lift gate also, which makes life so much easier. These will also recline if you need them to pull these. Actually, that only lays the seatbelt down, and since this, I do apologize, since this is a mobility van, there's no stow and go. That's for stow and go. My bad. As far as options on this, again, this is that really pretty Octane red pearl coat. Very nice van. Show the inside of it again one more time. This does have, of course, your power locks, your power windows, your power mirrors. It also does have a power seat. As far as other options, it does have your leather interior. This does have your remote start. As we mentioned, it also does have the power sliding doors and power rear hatch, rear backup camera, the 6.5-inch touchscreen radio, Bluetooth for phone. Just a nice, clean van. No smells, doesn't smell like it's been smoked in or anything like that. Again, this is a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan mobility side entry BraunAbility van. Stock number CP17797T. If you have any questions on this beautiful van or any van we have on our lot, please reach out to us at 937-778-0830. Again, my name is Kevin. You can also visit us at paulsherryconversionvans.com. Please ask for me by name and I'll be more than happy to assist you in any way I possibly can. We do specialize in vans, whether it be mobility or conversion vans. We do have some great financing options available in these vans. A lot of these vans don't stick around very long. We do ship, we assist with shipping. We don't actually do the shipping, but we do sell these all across the country. And we do accept trade-ins. So if you have any questions, again, reach out to me, Kevin, at 937-778-0830, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. As always, thank you for giving us the opportunity, and have an amazing day. Bye now.